Decided not to get the $100.
Football sucks.
Zach, look out!
Hello amigos and welcome to my life. Okay, we just came back from Walmart. Oh yeah, the sky is so beautiful. It looks fake, of course, because of Oregon. Anyways, we're here and we're gonna go to Carl Jr. I think, I don't know, maybe the chance because ground with her versions or what. Anyways, it's May 28th. Hello. Okay. Look at these shoes though. It's already like coming off. They suck. We're here at my house, my casa. We are eating. See, look, they even make noises. Sounds like if I farted. I didn't, okay? It's 10:46. We ate some, my mom made like, okay, that looked nasty, but it's really good. It's like some stew, chicken stew. And look at this. Look at this. How do you expect not to eat that? Okay, like everything that I'm showing you guys looks nasty, but it's really delicious. At least I can show you this. Today we went to Carl's Jr. We ate some really good food. And yesterday we went to Carl's Jr. again. Yesterday we went to Carl's Jr. and today we went to Carl's Jr. again. So that's what I meant. No? Ooh. You gotta know my sister. Alright. Amigos! I forgot to end yesterday's video and now I'm starting ending this day's video, but I'm gonna end it, don't worry, okay, I'm gonna end it. Common question of the day, I'm sorry, I'm burping. Common question of the day for today is, what is your favorite powdered drink? Come on. Thank you all for answering these common question of the days, it means a lot, and thank you for everything that you guys have been doing. And today, guess what we're doing? Well, you're gonna have to watch tomorrow's vlog. Yay! Even though you're watching tomorrow's vlog practically, but stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. Adios, mis amigos, and hasta la vista, baby.